Hello everybody. For over 4 decades, Trimble has been at the forefront of leveraging technology and innovation to transform the way world works. Especially when you talk about engineering and construction, be it onshore, offshore, industrial, or any complex construction project, our constructible, connected, and content-enabled solution really paved the way, go beyond conventional BIM. And that's what your beloved Tekla does. In what has been another tremendous year of development, Tekla has been enhanced with a host of new capabilities and functionalities, right from transmission tower content to bridge information modeling to a wider range of our integration with the laser scanning solutions, online corroboration tool, and a lot more. In order to facilitate you better, our esteemed customer, we have upscaled our offices with much larger and spanking new premises in our Bangalore, Gurugram, and Navi Mumbai. Our teams in India have grown to support and serve you better and effectively. Our enhanced local services and support teams are available all the times to guide you with any of your queries. Even more encouraging is the fact that our customers have also grown in their capabilities to deliver some of these outstanding and award-winning projects in India and overseas both. Some really remarkable projects has been done in India using our solutions. If I name signature bridges in Delhi, and another one is world's highest rail bridge in Jammu and Kashmir, more popularly known as Chenab Bridge. Are some of the examples. While we take care of your requirements and feature requests and continue to evolve our teams, infrastructure, and Tekla solutions themselves, how can you take care of your Tekla software? Tekla Maintenance is our program to ensure that your software is up to date with the latest developments and your teams has access to a host of additional benefits so you can get most out of your Tekla software.
When you take care of your Tekla software with Tekla Maintenance, we provide you with high quality, on-time technical support from our local offices near you. Just the other day, one of our customers was in a dire situation when his client requested a small change of adding shim plates to existing connections. This looks like a small change for the client, but a huge amount of rework for you. When our customer spoke with our support team, we came up with a new small plugin to resolve the situation and achieve what was needed in a quicker, far more efficient way. Having this telephonic service at hand is like having a friend who is an expert in Tekla and is available at all times to help you out.
All of the latest developments Harsh spoke of, they are all yours as part of Tekla Maintenance. No questions asked, no hidden terms or costs. You will always have access to the latest version of Tekla and can choose to use it at your convenience. These new versions help improve productivity, efficiency, and enable you and your team to do more in lesser time.
Oh, and did you know that as a maintenance user, you get the exclusive chance to even influence the developments that take place in Tekla? We call it the UFP, the User Feedback Program. We closely collaborate with the local and global Tekla development team to pass all your valuable feedback to them. And who knows, the next version of Tekla might just carry your suggested feature.
That's right. As a software developer, we keep a close eye on the latest tech that we can add to our solutions as well as the needs of our esteemed users. And as a maintenance user, you also get access to the entire content in Tekla Warehouse, which houses a huge repository of add-on customized applications and components using APIs, templates, custom components, parts, profiles, and more. You can even make your own contributions to the warehouse.
Along with the Tekla Warehouse, you also get access to a host of other online services, which includes Tekla User Assistance, Tekla Discussion Forum, Tekla Developer Center, and many more. With so many enhancements and options to better utilize Tekla, we strive to provide trainings, tutorials, and a lot of learning content as well as live webinars to help you stay a step ahead in the industry.
As the person in charge for development at Trimble Solution India, I can help you and your company to fully realize the potential of your Tekla software by using Tech like Tekla Open API. With this technology, we can create unique tools and applications that can eliminate the most time-consuming and redundant tasks your staff is currently facing. This will reduce human error, save valuable resources by simplifying complex work into a single push of a button. We developed a set of tools for our customers from the PV industry to model and detail PV structures effectively using Tekla structures. These tools are helping a lot of our customers who are doing PV buildings. Not only that, we also develop small tools to help our customers in need specific to their workflows and requirements. We can improve productivity and reliability by creating unique plugin components, and that is fully customizable in your own standards. This is just one of the many possible solutions that we can offer you.
At Trimble, we are in constant contact with our clients and we are getting to know them as a company, their projects and even their employees. So when you really face an issue that slows down your project, we manage to take care of your worries and solve your project issues as soon as possible. Our aim is to help you, our clients, so you can help your clients in turn with the quickest turnaround times and enhanced delivery of the projects.
We want you to stay ahead of the competition by getting maximum out of your Tekla software. Get in touch with us at tekla.support.n@trimble.com to take care of your Tekla software today.